Are you someone who dreams of achieving financial independence and building wealth? If so, you're not alone. While this is a common aspiration, the truth is that it's not always easy to achieve. Many people struggle to make progress toward their financial goals, and they're not sure how to get started. Fortunately, there are proven strategies that can help you increase your wealth and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 of these strategies, which are tried and tested methods for building wealth. By following these strategies, you can make real progress toward your financial goals and start living the life you've always wanted. Whether you're just getting started on your financial journey or you're looking to take your wealth-building efforts to the next level, these strategies can help you achieve the financial success you've been working towards. So let's get started and discover how you can increase your wealth with these 5 proven strategies. Number 1. One of the most effective ways to increase your wealth is to start a side hustle. A side hustle is a way to earn extra income outside of your primary job, and it can take many different forms. Whether you decide to freelance, start your own business, or pursue a hobby that can generate income, a side hustle can be a valuable source of extra cash. The beauty of the internet is that it has made it easier than ever to start a side hustle, and there are countless opportunities out there for people looking to earn extra income. By starting a side hustle, you can not only earn more money but also develop new skills, explore your passions, and gain valuable experience that can help you in your primary career. Additionally, a side hustle can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you have an additional source of income should something unexpected happen in your primary job. So if you're looking to increase your wealth and achieve financial independence, starting a side hustle could be a great way to get started. Number 2. Strategy for increasing your wealth is to reduce your expenses. Although it may seem like common sense, cutting back on unnecessary expenses is actually one of the most effective ways to build wealth. By being mindful of your spending habits and making a conscious effort to reduce your expenses, you can save more money and invest it in income-generating assets. This means that the money you saved can be used to make more money, rather than being spent on things that won't contribute to your financial well-being in the long run. To reduce your expenses, start by taking a close look at your budget and identifying areas where you can cut back. This might include cutting out subscription services you don't use, dining out less frequently, or shopping for generic brands instead of name brands. The key is to find ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. By reducing your expenses and investing the money you save wisely, you can make significant strides toward achieving your financial goals and building the wealth you need to live the life you want. Number 3. Another important strategy for building wealth is to invest in income-generating assets. These types of assets can include stocks, real estate, and rental properties, which have the potential to provide a steady stream of income over time. By investing in income-generating assets, you can grow your wealth and create passive income that can help you achieve financial independence. The key is to choose assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance, and to invest in a diversified portfolio to minimize risk. While there are no guarantees when it comes to investing, by taking a long-term approach and being strategic in your investments, you can potentially achieve significant returns and create a more stable financial future for yourself and your family. So if you're looking to increase your wealth, consider investing in income-generating assets as part of your overall financial strategy. Number 4. Another critical strategy for building wealth is to educate yourself about personal finance. Many people struggle to increase their wealth because they lack a fundamental understanding of how money works. By educating yourself about personal finance, you can improve your financial literacy and make better decisions about your money. There are numerous ways to improve your financial knowledge, including reading books, attending seminars, or working with a financial advisor. You can also find online resources and educational programs that can help you develop the skills and knowledge you need to build wealth and achieve financial independence. By taking the time to learn about personal finance, you can gain a better understanding of budgeting, investing, and managing debt. This knowledge will help you make more informed decisions about your money and ensure that you're on the right path toward achieving your financial goals. So if you're serious about building wealth, start by investing in your financial education today. Number 5. The final strategy for building wealth is to prioritize your health. While this may not seem directly related to wealth building, your health can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. By staying healthy, you can reduce your medical expenses and maintain your earning potential over time. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally can also help you stay focused and productive, which can lead to increased earning potential and greater financial stability. Additionally, investing in your health can help you avoid costly health problems down the road, which can have a significant impact on your finances. By making your health a priority, you can take control of your well-being and improve your financial situation in the long run. So don't neglect your health when it comes to building wealth. Make it a priority and reap the benefits in all areas of your life. In conclusion, building wealth requires time and effort, but these 5 strategies can help you achieve financial independence. Whether you start a side hustle, reduce expenses, invest in income-generating assets, educate yourself about personal finance, or prioritize your health, each step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. By following these proven strategies, you can increase your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and wealth building.